Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 89 from ayah number 89 of Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إلا الذين تابوا من بعد ذلك وأصلحوا فإن الله غفور رحيم. Hamza is very sharp, focus on give E sound attached with lam. This lam is attached with the other lam. La. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. The 2 counts long. The na is short. Ta 2 counts long. Boot, circle your lips and 2 counts long. Mim for kasra give E sound. And this is iqlab. So you'll keep the sound in your nose. You'll change the sound of noon to mim. Mim ba is short. Ain, you'll give the wasut the flow of medium sound. The for kasra give E sound and give E sound. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ka short. ذلك for circle your lips, so fatha open your jaws. As Hamza is very sharp, fatha open your jaws. The sound is short, but as soon as you will touch Sad will be heavy. It will get Rakhawa. It has Safir. There should be a whistle sound. The sound should flow, and the sound should be heavy. And you'll lift your tongue up to make Sad heavy. La is short. For Dhamma, circle your lips. It is 2 counts long because this is Mad Tabi'i. Fa for fa, give hums always. Whenever you see fa in Quran, give hums always. And hums is the flow of breath. This is flow of breath. For fatha, the sound is very short. First give hums and then give fatha. Fa in for kasra give E sound. Hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This is akmal gunna. The sound in your nose should stay longer, but fatha is short, and then it is attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Fa in now. Noon will stay light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. No. Ha is short. Ghain is heavy. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is heavy and short. Fu 2 counts long. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Idgham without gunna, because there is tanmeen. After tanmeen there is ra. Whenever ra and lam are there, there will be idgham without gunna. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Sorry, it is heavy. How will get misty sound, and then it will be 4 counts long, and on meme you will get the wasat. إن الذين كفروا بعد إيمانهم ثم ازدادوا كفرا لن تقبل توبتهم وأولئك هم الضالون. In Hamza is very sharp, focus. If E sound type with noon will get sifa of kunna. The sound should stay in your nose for a longer time, but then fatha is short, attached with lam. Inna la is short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Ka has no hums when there is fatha the makasra. On kaf, kaf will get hums only when there is sakun. There is no sakun, so there is no hums. Ka, very clear sound. Ka, it's not ka. Okay, it's ka, ka, fa. Now hums comes because you saw what? Fa. Ka, fa, ru is ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma, fatha, it is always heavy and it is 2 counts long. Ba is short. Fine. Give the wasat da short. Da e. Focus like e sound and it is 2 counts long because this is mutatabi'i. Ma 2 counts long. Ni short. Him focus like e sound then attach with mim will get sifa the wasat. Him. Thum for the circular lips. The sound is very short. Attach with mim will get sifa of gunna. This is Akmal Gunna, so give a nice long sound on mim. Thum, and Fatha is short. Ma, thummaz. And there should be a Z sound, not S mixed with S. No, it's only Z. Thummaz. Maz. Da, 2 counts long. Do, for the circular lips, and it is 2 counts too. Kuf, for the circular lips attached fa will get sifa of hums. Kuf or wal, and this is without kunna. Walla, this is idgham, this is ikhfa, and this is a light ikhfa. So keep your sound in your nose, hide the sound of noon, go toward the makhraj of ta. And ta is light letter, so ikhfa will be light. So keep the tongue straight. La tuqa, for the circular lips attached with qaf, qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Tuqa, ba is short, la short. Tuqabala, tau, ta. There is no hums in ta when it is mutaharika for the fatha dhamma kasra, no hums, there is no hums and attached with wow. This is lean, 2 comes long. Tawbatuhum, for the circular lips attached with mim. Sifa the wasut, as when you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa, for wow, circular lips. For fatha, open your chest. Sound is very short. Wa, u. Hamza is very sharp and short here because we are not pronouncing wow. U, la, 4 comes long. E, for kasra give E sound. Ka, short. Hu, for the circular lips. Sound is very short. Mud, as soon as you will touch don't get sifa of istatola, heavy, and rakhawa. Who mug. This sound is rakhawa, mug, and then it will be 6 counts long. Do, and when you will touch lam, there will be a number. There will be a number. Then you will make it 4 counts long because this mother added lisakun. 4 counts long, and then give the wasat on when you will stop. إن الذين كفروا وماتوا وهم كفار فلن يقبل من أحدهم ملء الأرض ذهبا ولو افتدى به أولئك لهم عذاب أليم وما لهم من ناصرين. إن الذين, Hamza is very sharp, attached with noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal. Innal, attached with lam, for lam, fatha is very short. La, the, two counts long. Na, short. Ka, short. Fa, short. Ra will be heavy and two counts long with the, because this is mother tabi'i. Wa, for circular lips attached. Ma, two counts long. Two counts long. Wa, ma, two. Wa, wow, for all circular lips, for fatha open just for dhamma circular lips. And as with me when you get sifa off, tawassut, and tawassut it is a medium flow of sound. Wahum kuf for dhamma circular lips, attached with fa will get sifa off, hums. Fa will be two counts long. When you are attaching kaf with fa, this is the place where you will create hums. Kuf. Fa, then this is two counts long. Urung ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because fa is a light letter. So you will keep the sound in your nose, hide the sound of noon, go towards the makhraj of fa. Kuffarun, fa will have hums. This fatha is very short. Lay idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose. فلن يقع for ضم circle lips attached with قاف will get صفة of قلقلة يقبل is short لا is short يقبل من for كسرة give e sound attached with noon get صفة of توسط because there is إظهار the rule is إظهار صفة is توسط من short short ha should be from your throat and it has a misty sound. D for kasra E sound. Him for kasra E sound. That with mim, you won't get sifa of gunna. Sifa of gunna. Mil for kasra E sound attached with lam. Now we'll get sifa of the wasut. Mil ul hamza is very sharp. For the masakal lips attached with lam. Now we'll get sifa of the wasut. Mil ul aru. Hamza is very sharp for fatha when you just attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and it is heavy too because whenever ra is with sukoon, then look at the letter before it. If it's with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So they you found fatha before ra. So the ra will be heavy. Aru. Li is short, but it is heavy. The short, ha short. Bow idgham with gunna. ذهبا is fatha is short. ولا is short. With circle your lips for kasra give e sound and attach with fa and make sure you give a e sound first. With and give a nice hums on fa. With that is short. The two counts long. The for kasra give e sound and this ba is short, so it will be short when you will stop at the end of ha, and ha will get sifa of raqawa when you stop. Bi ulaika la short. For the masakul lips attached with me when you get sifa of tawassut. Ain from your throat for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. The two counts long. Bun tawassut because rule is ibhar here. Bun hamza is very sharp. Li two counts long. Mum idgham with unna. Mum sorry. Wa for wow. Fatha for fatha open your jaws for wow circle your lips. Ma two counts long. La short. Idgham with unna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min إدغام with قلنا minna na 2 counts long. Si, the sound is short, but the sound is heavy. Sirin, 4 counts long. And give also at the end on the letter nun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.